How to pay contactless with PayPal. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can pay contactless with your PayPal app from your mobile. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and don't forget you're going to be able to find the website link of paypal.com in the description of this tutorial. So once you are into your PayPal account, let me load it again because perhaps it's not in my preferred language yet. At the bottom of your screen, you have three options. The last one is wallet. We're going into wallet, and there we're going to find our balance and the different credit or debit cards that are linked to our PayPal. So basically, if you want to pay contactless, you must go into the settings of your phone, and here in the bar, we're going to type NFC. The NFC is a technology you must activate here into your phone if you want to exchange some data with this device when it touches another one. So you just have to activate it. There's another way to do it, and is open your open menu here in your phone. When you locate all these settings or options, and you just have to look for the NFC. As you can see it, I'm activated and deactivating the option, and that's how you can do it. So if your NFC is activated, you just have to open your PayPal, and when you're gonna pay, you just have to take your phone close to the machine or device where you're gonna pay, and that's all. That's how you can pay contactless with PayPal. Thanks for watching.